900, that's the game.
YouTube, what do, man? It's your boy GlobalRellTV, and as you guys can see, I'm back with yet another late night POV drive for you guys. And today, I got that Genesis G70 for you guys. But before this video gets started, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going. Give you guys a little preview of the whip. We do have to gas this thing up. So without further ado, let's go get some gas. OG's in the hood every day, so I'm good.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Pump 11. G-Fazo. Yo. G-Fazo. Oh, G-Fazo. In the video, homie. Oh, shit. Am I look ugly right now?
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
I ain't gonna skip, bro. I'll just get 45 on 11. Alright guys, just gassed up. So let's fill this thing up. Alright guys, let's put this gas in so we can get this video started.
A few moments later.
Woo! What's up with it, motherfucker?
Alright guys, we stopped at $38.07. We got 9.7 gallons. So now that we got this Genesis filled up, we were able to start this POV drive. And as you guys can see, we do have a full tank of gas. First things first, let's put our seatbelt on. And guys, we will be driving in sport mode, so I will switch that right now. Give you guys a quick blinker check. Off the back, we're not playing no games tonight, guys. I know you guys hear that engine, man. This car is so quick. So quick. I love to hear that engine, man. Although this is a V6, this thing does make some noise. Carried away, that means slow it down some. You guys, as you guys can see, it is 1 o'clock in the morning right now, guys. The grind does not stop no matter what. Everybody has the same 24 hours. Just quick motivation, guys. goes that green light. Wow, another red light so quick. You know what they say, once you get one red light, you get them all. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 0 to 60 right here. That wasn't a good launch, guys. I was kind of scared to do that one, but we'll catch another launch. But yeah, guys, like I said, so far so good, guys. This car is very smooth. It's very quick. This is the 3.3 turbo, so of course it is a little faster than your regular Genesis G70. But man, I do love this thing. Look how fast this thing just gets up into speed like that. Yeah, go ahead and get out of my way. Go ahead and get out of my way. He knew to move out of the way for us, guys. Just what I needed. Oh, we're not gonna do that. But I do see some free road ahead of us, so I'm gonna give you guys a launch right here. This thing goes. I love rear-wheel drive vehicles. I love to hear that skirt when we're just taking off. Man, that ain't just sound like it's roaring. But if you got this far into the video, let me know what you guys think about this G70 so far. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna give you guys a few more minutes in this G70, and then we will be ending this video. I just want to give you guys a quick little POV drive so you guys can see some more footage. But if you guys haven't already, I did do a car review on this exact G70 that we're in. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, please check that video out. It will be in the link down below. Made it this far to the video, comment your favorite part of this video you saw so far. And like I said, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit more footage, and then we'll be ending this late night POV drive in the G70. And if you guys haven't already, you guys could tune into my other late night POV drives. I have made a playlist for you guys for all my late night POV drives, so they should be all in there, including this one. I will be putting this one in there when this video is uploaded. POV Drive, I will put in Sports Plus for you guys, just so we can have some more fun before I end this video off. This thing is a beast in Sports Plus. This thing is a beast in Sports Plus, guys. This thing is a beast in Sports Plus, guys. That is a crazy difference, man. Guys, we're having too much fun. We are about to put an end to this POV drive.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
The next stop that I see, we will be ending this POV drive. Like I said before, I'm gonna say it again. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this G70 down below. And big special shout out to AlRentalss for letting us do this video on this G70. If you guys need any rentals and you guys are in South Florida, check out AlRentalss on Instagram. He has plenty of cars to choose from. I'm telling you guys, man, you guys won't regret it. AlRentalss on Instagram.
Bye, have a great time.
Watch the ones you call friends, just survival of the fittest. They say rail shining bright, yeah, some like the dentist.